You don't need to pay a lot of money for comfortable everyday pants when you can DIY your own custom pair instead. Today we're sewing a pair of flowy knit pants, a free pattern from Unfettered Patterns for everyday comfort and effortless style. Whether you're lounging at home, running errands, or dressing them up for a casual day out, these pants have you covered. They feature a straight, breezy silhouette with a wide waistband that you can roll down or adjust to sit exactly where you like. I've made the smallest size here for my waist and hip measurements of 25 and 34, and I didn't add any length for my height of 5'0", so you may need to add a few inches at the bottom. I'm making mine in a moss-colored poly spandex rib knit, which gives them the perfect blend of softness and stretch. Throughout this project, I'll be using a lightning bolt stitch. This optimizes the stretch and maintains a clean, durable finish for this particular fabric. Let's get started on this amazing free pattern. Place a front and back pant piece right sides together and align the outer and inner seams. Pin in place on both sides. Sew from top to bottom on both sides with a 3/8 inch seam allowance. Once your seams are sewn, press the seam allowances toward the back of the garment. Repeat to sew together both sets of front and back pant pieces. With one set of pant legs turned right side out and the other still wrong side out, place the set that's right side out into the one that's wrong side out. Align the crotch curve and pin in place. Sew with a 3/8 inch seam allowance. I've pressed that crotch seam to one side, then turned the pant right side out. Now we can start working on the waistband. Place your waistband pieces right sides together and pin the side seams. Sew both seams at 3/8 of an inch and press the seams open. Fold your waistband in half, wrong sides together. Place the waistband right sides together with the top of the pant so that the seams of the waistband align with the side seams of the pant, and the center front and center back of the waistband align with those crotch seams. Pin in place. Sew the waistband to the top of the pant with a 3/8 inch seam allowance, stretching that waistband to fit the top of the pant all the way around. For the bottom hems, fold the raw edge of the material to the wrong side by your preferred hem allowance. I'm going to be folding it by about 3/4 of an inch, then edge stitching close to the raw edge along the bottom all the way around. Repeat for both pant legs. And now your full top pants are complete. Thank you for watching this sew along. Subscribe to the channel for more full-length sewing tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.